Hi, I just wanted to show you this UC BARKLEY Whelping box or puppy playpen that Amazon sent us, and they wanted a review on what we thought of it, and it is a really, really nice piece. Right here, I have the door off. And all you do is slide this in. Put each piece in. And then you can put the caps on like so. This is especially great for newborns and their mom. You wouldn't have to have the door that high. And it comes, I did not put the waterproof pee pad down because I want to keep it sterilized. But it comes with this and then the pad, and you can look at the video online to show how it fits in here. But you wrap it around the poles and you set it down in there, and it keeps it in place. This is 48 by 48 inches, perfect size. Here's very easy instructions and all the parts. I think it's fantastic, and it's really a great price. This is a great product for anyone who has a pregnant mama and needs somewhere to put the babies in a safe place. I like it. I think you might too. Thanks for watching.